Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening another Dragonite B box. I was able to purchase this one from Barnes & Noble. This is Dragonite B box. Has one foil promo card featuring Dragonite B, one foil oversized card featuring Dragonite B, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, a code card for the Pokemon trading card game online. Yes, I have opened one before in the channel, and we're gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna post this one, and if you guys can do me a favor and in the comments let me know if you guys seen the previous video that I did about this box before, if this one or the previous has the best hits. So let me know in the comment. If you guys been watching my videos, let me know. Also let me know if you guys like me when I open multiple items from the same in different videos, or should I make a longer video where I open 2 of the same product, compare them to see which one has the best hits? Let me know in the comments. I'm definitely have to clean that. Here's the Dragonite B promo. Nice looking Dragonite. It's a big Dragonite card. Put this in this binder. With all the Dragonite right there. Alright, and then it counts with 4 packs. And the code card for you guys. So it has the Chilling Rain, BB Voltage, Evolving Sky, Fusion Strike. Let's do like this. So we're gonna start Chilling Rain, Evolving Sky, Fusion Strike, and BB Voltage at the end. Let's see if we can get any guys pulse out of Chilling Rain. Oh, green code card. That's not a good sign, but hey, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, energy card. Estini, Dynatrigio, Sparrow Energy, Clubopus, Marip, Ralts, Castform Rainiform, Snowbird, Reverse Hollow Klinkon with the other Klinkons on the background. I technically see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I see 8. Maybe you guys see more than me. If you guys want to pause and let me know in the comments how many you guys see. But I see 8. Alright, and then for our first rare, non-hollow Spiritomb. Alright. So let's put this one to the side. Chilling Rain. Alright, we're gonna move on to Evolving Skies. Talking about evolving, I was able to procure one of the EV Evolution boxes collection today. I was able to procure Jolteon. And but unfortunately I was only able to get 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm actually gonna keep that one sealed until I'm able to procure more, at least one of each again. Energy card, Swoobat, Lumbri. Ooh, nice looking Lumbri. Lucky Ice Pop, Eevee, talking about Eevee, Cutiefly, Himochan, Lottet, Sableye, Reverse Hollow Ice Cube, and for our Evolving Skies rare, Hollow Slaking. Ooh, he looks like he's about to go beast mode. Either that or he's trying to get up. Alright, so 1 hit so far out of 2 packs. Of course, I pay retail, so I believe this one was $19.98 plus taxes. So let me know if the value was worth for what we pulled. 2, 3, 4. Energy card. Graveler. Musharna. Hitmore. Bulabi. Dewpider. Meowth. Onix. Chullet. Reverse Hollow Jigglypuff, I'm sorry. And for a rare, Hollow Feraligatr. Sorry about that. Alright, so far 2 hollows. Alright, let's go to the last pack. Vivid Voltage. You're trying to find the Rainbow Chunky Chew. Of course, we pulled the Chunky Chew before, but not the Rainbow. So, oh, Cinco card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy card. Giraffe, Alistair, Cramorant, Duskull, Electrikite, Pineco, Mapbright, Pushiana, Reverse Hollow Pinkorchin, and for our last rare of Vivid Voltage, 9 Hollow Sending Ninja. Alright, so our main hits is going to be the Dragonite promo B full art. Nice looking Dragonite. We got Slacking Hollow, nice looking Hollow right there. And then we have Hollow Feraligatr. If you like our videos, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys soon.